Here is a video for the 2023 Volvo C40 all-wheel drive plus with a range of 226. Large panoramic glass roof. Die extension. .360 surround view monitor. Wireless charging. And there you have it for the 2023 Volvo C40 all-wheel drive plus.